Hi guys, it's Dayo again with another video. So I know you guys missed me and sorry for not being active. I've been very busy, but I'll try my best to see how I can drop tutorial once in a while. So I wanted to actually show you guys a sketch of this image from scratch, but unfortunately I thought I was recording, but I found out that I wasn't. So I initially thought I was recording from scratch, but unfortunately I wasn't. So I just had to just continue from where I stopped. So this is not bad as well. This is like I'm just trying to refine the sketch as well. So just do well to let me know if you need something like this, if you want a um well formed tutorial for stylization. If you want me to make a tutorial for stylization, how to stylize your portraits, I'm definitely going to be doing that, but just let me know in the comment section. And if you miss me, just let me know in the comment section as well. I'll be responding to your messages. A shout out to everyone that has messaged me on my Instagram, checking up on me. I'm doing well, thank you and God bless you. So just feel free to enjoy the video and look at the whole drawing process of this particular portrait. So, and again, if you want me to complete the painting of this video, this particular portrait, just do well to let me know in the comment section as well. If you want me to complete this particular portrait with the painting, because I just sketched it and just left it like that. But if you want me to actually paint it, just drop it down below in the comment sections. I can even make a tutorial for the painting as well. So yeah, I feel like I've not done a lot regarding to stylization on this channel. So but I'll try my best to see if my future videos are going to be on stylization and using drawing on Photoshop as well. So I actually had issues with my iPad. That's why I've not really been drawing lately, and I've been busy as well. So yeah, pardon my absence guys. I'm going to be sketching mostly on Photoshop right now. So um yeah, I know my Photoshop followers will be very happy to hear that. So yeah, I'm going to be sketching mostly on Photoshop, and you guys are going to be seeing the whole process as well. Just do well to let me know if you like content like this, and I'm going to be breaking down all my sketching process in depthly. So I don't know if that's the word, but yeah, I'm going to be going in depth with the whole process. Yeah, I just feel like it's been a while I actually sketched, so I just said okay, let me just sketch this. Although there's a need for refinements, a lot of refinements, for instance the eye as well, there's a lot of refinement to do. But yeah, I just thought of just doing a rough sketch and warm up, because it's been months I've not done stylization. It's been months, almost a year I've not done stylization. So I just feel like doing it, and I actually love it. I actually love the way it turned out. So I actually love the way it turned out. So yeah, if you like this sketch as well, just do well to let me know as well. Yeah, I think I'm done with my ranting, and yeah, you guys should enjoy the video, and I'll see you in my next video as well. Peace.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy.